Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Loki, and today I've got the Apple Watch charging dock. This one retails for £75 guys. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out. I know it's on this expensive side, but it's just really nice. Looking at the picture and everything, it looks like a great product, so I picked it up. But yeah guys, let's have a look at it. So it comes in this white box, typical from Apple. You've got the design here, Apple Watch, and at the back it says what's included, so how to charge it. So yeah, nothing much there. You got two modes. You've got a dock mode and you just got laying flat mode. But yeah, let's open it up. So inside you do get this 2-meter cable, which is really nice. When you buy the iPhone you only get the 1-meter cable, but this is nice that you get 2-meter cable, so it's very long, so you can have it plugged up anywhere and just reach very well, so that's good. And we've got the product itself, so let's put that to the side and see what else we get inside. And as always, we do get some Apple instructions, so let's have a look at this. So we just got some standard Apple instruction and how to set it up and stuff like that. Then there's no Apple stickers, that's a bit sad, but yeah. So let's put the box away and let's have a look at the design itself. So it comes in this top. It's got a soft silicone. I would say it's the same silicone used on the cases, which is used, and at the bottom you've got this like fabric finish so it doesn't slide around or damage your glass table. And then you've got the dock itself here, which you can twist up or down, so if you want to lay it flat you can do that, or if you want to put it in the night mode you can do that. And it's using the lightning for charging, which is really great. So I've got a cable here already ready, so let's plug that in and let's put my Apple Watch in charge and you'll see how it works. As you can see, that is just charging straight away. Now it's in a flat mode, so depending on what straps you have, some strap will enable that. If you got the loop steps, this is hard to do, so that's why you want to use the other mode. But you can use this mode for nightstand as well, so if you have it like that, it's in a nightstand mode, which is really nice. So if you have it next to your bed, you don't want to look at the clock, you can just turn to your Apple Watch and that's going to display the time all night long, which is really great. It does not use any charge because it's charging, so you in the morning you are going to have 100% charge, so that's really great. But yeah, it's just really nice. It's very simple, nothing fancy here, nothing like some other ones, but I know it's expensive, but it's just how simple it is, and that white logo will look really nice on my desk. But yeah guys, there's other ones you can pick up. I'm gonna see if I can find some other one from Apple Watch, but this one is from Apple. It retails for £75. I know it's expensive guys, but yeah, I just wanted it and I picked it up and I wanted to share with you guys. But yeah guys, that's it. It's very nice. The build quality is from Apple, so there's nothing much to complain here. It looks nice, it feels good, and it's just nice and sturdy, so nothing there to complain about. But yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next one guys. Take care.